As humans, we are social beings. We are sentient beings, meaning we're made up of emotions. Therefore, we are not meant to be solitary or exist on our own.
No. Whereas loneliness is for life and not just for Christmas, yet millions of people express that they feel lonely, especially at the seasonal time of Christmas.
Many people may choose to spend Christmas on their own, but despite feeling lonely, you may be alone for other reasons that are beyond your choice or your control.
Yeah. You might find socialising just too stressful to cope with. And if you are struggling with social anxiety, you could even be living away from relatives or be new to a town and not have many friends. So feeling isolated and lonely may prevent you from being motivated to engage with others and in your community.
Another reason for isolation and loneliness and unhappiness at Christmas may be due to having experienced a trauma, bereavement, or a relationship breakup. Now, you don't have to go through this on your own. There are many organisations that can help you with connections. So we'll list those at the end of this video.
Yeah. We'd like to offer you some ideas to keep you from focusing on the fact that you are alone. So one of them could be, don't exclude yourself. Go out, as you may miss out on many serendipitous moments that could potentially, change your life and save your life.
Make Christmas purposeful. Consider volunteering to a cause or a community event. Find out about local befriending schemes. These will help you find value and meaning during the festive season.
Yeah, very good one. You could also consider giving time to people around you who are not necessarily significant in your life. Extending acts of kindness or even small gifts will be repaid twofold when you see their surprised faces and happy responses.
And simplify your life. Focus on what you do have and avoid the pressure of filling Christmas with stuff. Leave that for the turkey.
Yes, because Christmas is a time for giving and sharing love and friendship. In an ideal world, no one should be alone at Christmas. So let's get involved and spread a little cheer and make the effort to find the time to visit relatives, friends and neighbours and get involved in your community.
So for more PG tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel or download our app on the Amazon App Store.